What's up everyone, this is Charles here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the activation error code 0xC004C008 on Windows 10 or 11. So here I into this. So if you're getting this activation error code, the easiest way to fix this is to go to your search bar, type in Windows activation, and then you'll see like this thing pop up that says see if Windows is activated. If not, you can just write Windows update, and this page on the left side, just clicking to activation. In here, you're going to see that error pop up, like an red exclamation mark saying you have an issue, you have an error, your Windows is not activated, etc., etc. In here, there's going to be a thing called troubleshoot the issue, basically. You want to click into that, and when you click into the troubleshoot, it's essentially going to run a process to make sure that your Windows was and is actually activated successfully. And then it's going to show you the original Windows that you had it activated on. So for example, in this scenario, it will say, hey, do you want to reactivate it with Windows 10 Pro? Or like basically fix it with this one. You say yes, you let that process run, and it shouldn't take long. Once it does that, it runs through the troubleshoot process, it will reactivate for you, and you will not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, go and make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.